Hey everybody, welcome back to Marich Machine Mondays. This is Chris Matan, your host, and I'm holding another big part, kind of like a steering wheel. It is a stainless steel ring, and you could kind of hear how heavy that is. Anyway, thanks for joining me today. As you know, this is now Mondays is Marich Machine Mondays, and it's all things Marich Machine and machining and manufacturing and what have you. So today I'm going to talk about customer service and what we can do as small shops in particular to kind of not only improve but just to really demonstrate our customer service and what we strive to do for our customers, in that respect. And so, like I said, I mean, we are a small shop. We're kind of one of those, just kind of get it done type of operations. And that's really what we try to do for our customers, just get it done. And I'd love to hear some comments from people that are hiring shops to machine their parts, and the people, what's actually really important to you. Obviously you're looking at price and quality and delivery. I mean, those are the standards, but to kind of go above and beyond that, there's a few things that I kind of live by over here at our shop. One of those being timely communication. I think that's really important. You don't want to leave anybody hanging, let alone your customer. So, to respond to emails and phone calls and voicemails and whatnot in a timely manner, I think is critical. And that's one of the things that one of my hallmarks on respecting people's time. I should hope that people will respect my time in return. But time is extremely valuable, and I know that a lot of you guys out there, your desks are going to fill up with paperwork, and you got to get all kinds of quotes out and orders out and whatnot. So, if anything holds you up, it just makes your day go a little bit harder. And if there's a way that I can improve upon that and make your day go smoother, all the better. So, timely communication, I think, is pretty key. Also, just kind of going above and beyond. Obviously you want to do what's expected. You want to exceed expectations, but from time to time there's going to be requests from customers that maybe are in a bind or are frazzled, or maybe there was something broke down in lines of communication on their end. Even these big companies that with all the fancy computer systems and accountability and all that, sometimes things happen, and something, the ball gets dropped along the way, and somebody needs to help and recover it. And a lot of times that actually trickles down to us little shops, trying to get things done and expedited quickly. And we want to try to do that as much as actually possible. Sometimes it doesn't always work out, but sometimes the stars do align, and an open machine, or you'd be able to slip in a job quickly to kind of get that customer out of a bind. That's another thing that that us little shops kind of have that flexibility that we can we can accommodate a lot of times. And I hope that over the years we've demonstrated that from Marich Machine to our customers, that when push comes to shove, we can really get something done for you. So that's a pretty key component as well. And then also, finally, I'm just going to touch on a little bit of just have a personal touch. So, we are indeed a small shop. I kind of wear a lot of hats over here, including delivering finished parts and meeting with vendors and taking parts to vendors and stuff like that. So I'm really kind of knee deep in a lot of things here, which is kind of a blessing and a curse. But in some ways, when it comes to customer service, the customer really kind of has a gets to know me and gets to know what I'm all about and what I try to demonstrate our shop is all about. And the relationship is really built that way, with personal connection. And over the years I've made several friends in this business, and it's been rewarding. It's been very, very rewarding. I hope that's a two-way street. But a little bit of personal touch, a little going the extra mile, and a little over communication doesn't hurt the cause, and could potentially make a relationship and a customer extremely happy, and customer for life. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for customers for life. We're looking for raving fans, and the little guy, don't don't overlook the little guy. The little guy can make it happen too. So anyway, until then, I hope you guys have a great week, and thanks for joining me today, and we'll catch up soon. Bye-bye.